Step into a modern living room anywhere on the planet. Flip over a lamp, check the tag on a shirt, or inspect the base of a router. The label "Made in China" is almost unavoidable. This is not a coincidence or a simple accident of history. It is the calculated result of a 40-year industrial sprint that reshaped the entire globe. Before we understand where we are today, we must look back at how this massive engine first started. It began with a vision to connect a closed nation to the pulse of global commerce, setting the stage for the most significant economic transformation in human history. In 1978, China was a country of isolated, state-run factories. The economy moved slowly, and global trade was nothing more than a distant, unreachable concept. Then came the turning point that changed everything. Deng Xiaoping announced a series of sweeping reforms, signaling a departure from the past. The government opened its doors to foreign capital and established special economic zones like Shenzhen. Suddenly, international companies saw an opportunity. They could build factories with lower taxes and fewer barriers. The effect was immediate and electric. Global brands began to flock to the mainland, drawn by a massive, industrious workforce and the promise of untapped potential. Millions of workers traded their farming tools for assembly line stations, pouring into booming coastal cities in a migration of unprecedented scale. But manufacturing alone wasn't enough. To move this mountain of goods, the nation embarked on a construction frenzy. They built massive deep-water ports, intricate high-speed rail networks, and modern airports at a pace the world had never seen. Shanghai's ports transformed from quiet docks into the busiest gateways for global commerce. This massive physical network became the circulatory system of the world's economy, ensuring that "Made in China" could reach every corner of the earth in record time. But China did not settle for being a mere factory for cheap trinkets and simple textiles. The strategy shifted toward a bold, long-term investment in technology, robotics, and higher education. The assembly lines that once built simple plastic toys began producing high-speed trains, sophisticated electric vehicles, and complex medical hardware. Giants like Huawei and BYD rose to the global stage, challenging established titans of industry. This was the evolution from a center of production into a hub of genuine innovation. They weren't just following blueprints anymore. They were creating them. The world watched as the world's factory became a leader in the green energy revolution and digital infrastructure, proving that the country had fundamentally rewritten the rules of the global game. Today, the landscape is shifting again. With rising labor costs and complex geopolitical tensions, the old model faces new and difficult pressures. Yet, the transformation remains undeniable. From a quiet agricultural society to the world's manufacturing powerhouse, China has permanently altered the flow of history. Every item you hold in your hand is a testament to this historic shift, connecting billions of people to a vast, complex, and ever-evolving industrial network. The story of Made in China is no longer just about products. It is the story of the modern world itself.